Hi, I'm Jamie Flores with the Law Offices of Nemeth. So today we're going to go over the CP90 notice. This is a very serious notice. It is a final notice intent to levy. You do have appeal rights. You must file an appeal within 30 days of the date of the letter. If you do not, you have missed that appeal and you are exposed to levies. This notice will tell you, hey, we haven't received your payment. You have an outstanding balance with us, and it's going to break down your penalties and your interest, and then the total amount due is immediately. It will also give you a payment voucher at the bottom. The next page, it's just going to tell you, you need to pay immediately. We're continuing this information. You have the right to a CDP hearing with the IRS Independent Office of Appeals. And again, you have to file that within 30 days. If you don't file it within 30 days, from day 31 to 365, you may file an equivalent hearing, but that equivalent hearing does not protect you from levies from happening. It also goes into detailed information that the IRS has the authority to file a tax lien. So make sure that you understand that. You may also file an appeal for a tax lien being filed. There's additional information that has only been in the last couple years they've been adding to these, which is about your passport restrictions. And what it does is it's denial or revocation of your United States passport. If you already have an active passport, generally they don't go in and do anything to it. You just can't renew it. Now, there are some instances, usually it's very high dollar balance owed, or if there are foreign accounts, they may go in and cancel your passport to where you can't travel. But it gives you information about that as well. It will also tell you what years you owe for and what forms you owe for. Usually we'll see either civil penalties here, or we'll see personal liability on your 1040 form and the total amount due. And then it will tell you how did they come up with the dollar amount of penalties and interest and the calculations of that. Additional information, if you disagree with it, you may contact them back. But a CP90 is a final notice intent to levy because you have an outstanding balance with the IRS. And you do not want to throw away this notice because your bank account can be levied and your wages can be garnished.